Hello, in front of me I've got DDPAI Z50 dashcam. In this video I'll show you unboxing of this device. In the beginning, let's take a look at the original box. On the front of the box we've got the dashcam image, name and 4K notification. Take a look at the top and now on the back. On the back of this dashcam we can find serial number, name, model, input, color and dimensions. On the side of the original box we can check some specifications like 7 optical lenses, 140 degrees wide view, f1.75 aperture and 415 Sony IMX. Now take it out of the original box. First thing we can see is the package with stickers, thanks to which we can attach our camera to front windshield, and user guide. Here we've got another piece of plastic, thanks to which we can connect the camera to the sticker. And in the end we've got the camera itself. Here we've got the small display, 4 buttons, camera lens, name of our camera and model, holder, USB-C charging port, micro jack and micro SD card. Micro SD port. Take a look further into the box. Under the camera we can find USB-C cable, thanks to which we can connect our camera to power outlet in the car. Tool that will help us hide the cable. USB adapter. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.